Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome back, and in this video we'll be going over Southwest Florida's future updates. As we can already see here, we have a boat interior. From what we see, I think we can tell this is a boat interior here because I don't think a car interior would look like this, and we can see some railing in the front here. Looks like a boat. But yeah, this actually looks super sick. Really nice. We have our steering wheel over here, and we have a nice little area over here. But yeah, here is the boat interior. Really nice. I know boats are coming soon. If we actually scroll like up quite a bit here, we can see a boat right here, and I'm pretty sure this is the boat with the interior, because if we check out the window shape and the railing right here, and we go back down here, same railing, same window. I might be wrong, but I think that's the boat with the interior. But check this boat out. It looks amazing. This actually looks super sick. But yeah, pretty nice boat right there. This was past update. But starting from I don't know, right here. I don't think this is in game yet. But yeah, this looks super nice. Really nice BMWs. And we got this. Can't really tell what this is. This is the Pacifica minivan, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then we got this right here. This car looks really nice. I think this car would be a good daily driver maybe. And then we got a McLaren. This car looks sick. Really hope this comes in game soon, but yeah, pretty nice. And then we got a Ferrari. Not sure what this is, but yeah. And then we got a Ferrari, another Ferrari. I think this might be a remodel, not sure. And we got the Pacifica minivan again here. The Honda Odyssey is the only minivan we have in game currently. But yeah, we have another Ferrari right here. So yeah, it would be cool to see the Pacifica come in game as a second minivan. And then we got this car, nice Porsche right here. It looks pretty nice. And then we got a GTR, pretty nice. I'm pretty sure this is a remodel too. I think we already have this in game. And then we have the boat interior. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.